Okay, besties. If no makeup look feels way too plain and party glam feels way too extra, I've got you. This look is a toasty makeup look, but with a slight desi twist. It's warm, glowy, bronzy, and also doing it on my dusky skin made me realize that it pops up on brown skin so beautifully. So, in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to nail this look. I've already started prepping my skin with the usual a toner, an essence, and a sunscreen. This is our reference for today.
One eternity later.
So, guys, concentrate. This is the most important step, the bronzer. Why do I keep calling it a bronzer or a contour on different occasions? Is because I'm confused. Its packaging says it's a contour, but to my knowledge, it's a bronzer. Now, what's the difference between a contour and a bronzer? A contour is used for creating shadows where natural shadows would fall, and a bronzer is used to add warmth, a sun-kissed glow to your face. You may ask that I do this step every time. What's different today? To that, I'd say the amount is gonna be different because today I'll be using a lot of bronzer. As you can see that I applied it in the outer corner of my eyes to lift them just to give a fox eye effect. But because of my hyperpigmentation around my eyes, nothing works. The blush is also very important for this look. Any kind of color or warmth today is gonna be accepted with open arms. If you're curious about this blush, this is also of the same range as the contour or the bronzer. The skin tint is very sheer, so the bronzer is gonna pop up under the skin tint. This technique I'm using is called underpainting. Now, what's underpainting? It is when you bronze your face, you contour your face, and you apply blush to your face before you apply the foundation or a tint, if you may. The foundation that you apply on top should be a light layer, so it tones everything down but still lets the sculpting peek through. Why do I mostly go for underpainting? It creates a more natural, seamless look. The contour looks like it's the part of your skin, not just sitting on the top. For the eyes today, I kept it really simple. I tight lined my eyes with Kajal, then I took a dark brown shadow and applied it on the outer corners of my eyes just to give a fox eye illusion. After that, the usual, I made a wink with a black eyeshadow. Here I'm applying blush because I thought the color in my face is insufficient. Here I'm taming my brows because they're wild. Also, I chose this Zudio lip gloss for the toasty look. And then we fix the makeup because it's very humid here. Just posing with the fan for the vibes. Guys, I'm actually using the fan. Please don't hate me. And that's it. That's how you do a toasty makeup look with a slight desi twist. Let me know in the comments if you liked this look. Also, let me know which trendy makeup look you want me to do next. Please show some love to this video.